Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're doing well. And here Valentine's Day title reveal pack for Adobe After Effects. Here font folder, you need font for this project. And here link, download link of fonts. You can download and then you can open this. But first you need subscription. Then you can access of my all files. Okay, go to sherryskpwd.com and purchase subscription for one-time payment. Okay, one-time payment and lifetime access. Okay, here photo folder and here our main project file eserts project fg. Okay, so I have already opened this. So here 1 2 3 4, you can put your own title or design. Okay, and next you can put anything. Next, okay, extract, edit, color and color 1. Next, text, you can change text. First you need these font. Okay, download from web, here download link, free of cost, and then you can use these templates in After Effects. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.